What if silence is not emptiness, but medicine? What if a few minutes of true stillness could heal your body, calm your mind, and even rewrite your destiny? Let me share a story. There was a man, 42 years old, working in a big city. His days were filled with endless meetings, traffic, deadlines. He could not sleep without pills. One day, a teacher simply told him, "Try 5 minutes of silence before bed." At first, nothing happened, but slowly, he noticed his breath became calm, his thoughts less heavy. Weeks later, he slept without medicine for the first time in years. Silence was his cure. The noise of modern life. Everywhere is noise, outside and inside. For those above 30, life becomes heavier with family, work, health. The body grows tired, the mind restless. Philosophers say, a restless mind is like a stormy lake. It cannot reflect the sky. Only when calm, the truth is revealed. The forgotten science of stillness. Meditation is not religion, it is the science of stillness. Modern doctors confirm, silence lowers blood pressure, balances the nervous system, strengthens immunity. But yogis knew this centuries ago. Stillness is the key to touch the inner self. Silence as medicine. Think of silence as medicine. A woman in her 50s once said, "I searched for peace in books, in temples, in music, but only in silence. My heart stopped trembling." When thoughts stop weaving chains, karma pauses. In silence, you are not creating more destiny, you are dissolving it. Inner peace beyond time. In deep silence, time disappears. No past, no future, only a vast, eternal now. Some call it death of the ego, but truly, it is rebirth. As mystics whisper, in silence, you do not lose yourself, you return to yourself. The spiritual dimension. Meditation is not escape, but connection. In silence, you may feel a current of energy, a touch of the infinite. India calls it samadhi, the West may call it transcendence, but names are not important. The experience is, and this door is open to everyone. A practical path. How to begin? Each day, sit 5 minutes, close your eyes, let the breath flow, watch thoughts as clouds drifting in the sky. Soon, silence will rise, and in that silence, you will taste the medicine hidden within stillness. So I ask you, will you dare to meet the silence? Perhaps there, you will discover not emptiness, but the healing power you have always sought.